Mr. Giggles. Rory the lion loved many things, chasing butterflies, rolling down hills, and picking bananas. But his favorite of all? A cuddly, spotted giraffe plushie named Mr. Giggles. He slept with it, ate with it, and carried it on all his adventures. One morning, Rory invited his best friend, Toby the elephant, to play. "Let's build a fort," Toby said. "Mr. Giggles is coming too." Rory smiled. They gathered leaves, sticks, and vines, and made the best fort ever. Toby ran to grab a vine but tripped and fell, right on top of Mr. Giggles. One of Mr. Giggles' legs tore off and stuffing spilled out. Rory's face turned red. "You broke him," he shouted. Toby's ears drooped. "I didn't mean to. I don't care. Just go away," Rory yelled, hugging Mr. Giggles tight. Rory sat alone in his fort. His heart felt heavy. "I'll never forgive Toby," he muttered. He looked up at the sky, and saw a cloud shaped like a cross floating gently overhead. Rory remembered what his mother, the lioness, always told him. Jesus forgives us when we mess up, even when it hurts. And he asks us to forgive others too. Rory looked at Mr. Giggles and whispered, "Could I forgive, like Jesus?" Rory bowed his head and said, "Jesus, I'm really sad. But I want to forgive Toby. Help my heart be kind again." A peaceful feeling washed over him like warm sunlight. Rory stood up and walked to Toby's house. Toby opened the door slowly. "Hey," Rory said softly, "I forgive you. It was an accident, and I want to be friends again." The two friends hugged tight. Then Toby smiled. "Let's fix Mr. Giggles together." With thread, buttons, and jungle leaves, they made Mr. Giggles look brand new, plus a few funny extras. From that day on, Rory knew, I can forgive others like Jesus forgives me. And even when things broke, friendship and love always stitched them back together.